Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I want to show to you how to assemble this lock box. So this without pasting, no any glue use. Okay. So just you can fold, just you fold all creases inside. See, this all crease fold to inside, and other side also same. Just fold all inside. You can fold all creases, okay, and other side, so this one all you can fold same this type. Okay, this all creases already fold. Okay, and now just you can take these two lock and this part, okay, fold inside. You see this here one two lock inside, just push this auto lock. Okay, and same other side, this two part, fold inside, and this big part just fold inside and this lock. Then after this big part, this go inside the box. Okay, and this two small part as a lock, and just this go inside for this lock. It's mean this part out. Okay, and you want to open this fingertip, just you can open this type, and this